You know how Snapchat has always been big on the whole AR effects thing? Well, it's getting bigger, but not as direct as you might think, at least not with its latest batch of updates. You see, Snapchat is adding a bunch of whole new interactive features such as poll stickers, individual group chat replies, and Bitmoji reactions. At first glance, you'll notice that almost all of these elements are akin to those that are already found on Facebook poll creation, and layout is available in both posts and group chats. Threaded message replies have been around since 2019, and emoji reactions go as far back as 2016. So the question here, I guess, is why only now? The most logical answer seems to have something to do with connectivity. Since we're now a step closer to the Web 3 era and the metaverse, all the social platforms are getting it together and improving their connection and community processes. Snapchat for the longest time has been more focused on the individual user side of things and have now just decided to gradually start expanding the scope of their social features. Besides these new interactive elements, Snapchat has also updated its video calling interface, allowing for more entertaining and intuitive live calls. Want to video chat people and enjoy lenses at the same time? Well, now you can. It's really a nice little quality of life addition and helps make Snapchat a better all-around platform. Snap call? Maybe we'll try it sometime.